When it comes to a black man, it's criminal. When it comes to a white man, it's a mistake. A compelling quote from the firebrand South African political leader Julius Malema. This statement reflects the essence of Malema's political career, a journey marred by controversy, yet brimming with a passionate advocacy for justice and equality. Born and raised in the Limpopo province of South Africa, Malema embarked on his political journey at a tender age. He joined the African National Congress's Youth League, or ANC, at the age of 9. His charisma and fervor saw him rise rapidly through the ranks, eventually becoming the League's president in 2008. Yet, his tenure was not without controversy. His outspoken nature and radical views often landed him in hot water, culminating in his expulsion from the ANC in 2012. Undeterred, Malema founded the Economic Freedom Fighters, or EFF, in 2013. The party quickly gained traction, advocating for radical socio-economic changes to address the glaring inequalities in South African society. In recent years, Malema's speeches have become increasingly controversial. Notably, in 2023, he sparked an uproar with a call to arms against white South Africans at a rally chanting, "Kill the Boer, the farmer." This act was met with widespread condemnation, with critics branding it as hate speech and calling for UN intervention. Despite the controversy, Malema's party remains popular. The EFF's push for land reforms without compensation to address historical injustices has stirred debate, even drawing attention from figures like Elon Musk. Yet, the party's radical stance has also drawn criticism, with detractors arguing that it could destabilize South Africa's fragile democracy and economy. In summary, Julius Malema's political career is a testament to his commitment to challenging the status quo and fighting for social justice. From his early days in the ANC Youth League to his current role as the leader of the EFF, Malema has consistently advocated for radical change. Yet, his controversial rhetoric and methods have also sparked significant debate, reflecting the complexities and contradictions inherent in South Africa's political landscape. It remains to be seen what lies ahead for Malema and the EFF as South Africa approaches its 2024 elections.